Meaning of grout.
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 Grout. Grout is a construction material that is typically a mixture of water, cement, and sand, used to fill gaps or spaces in between tiles, bricks, or masonry. The purpose of grout is primarily to improve the overall structural integrity of the architecture by reinforcing the joints and preventing moisture from getting in. The word grout also has a second meaning, which refers to a thin, liquid plaster that is applied to walls and ceilings to create a smoother surface for finishing. In summary, grout is a critical building material that helps to maintain structural stability and aesthetic appeal in a variety of construction contexts.